Driving for comfort and health. You may be spending long hours driving in the car. The way you sit in the car can affect your comfort and long-term health. Your car is designed and fitted with features to make your drive comfortable as well as save you from any physical stress while on the job. You can make some adjustments to seat, backrest, and headrest and your own position. This reduces the strain and makes driving comfortable. While driving, there are certain parts of your body that are exposed to physical stress. These parts are the back, eyes, arms, wrists, legs, feet, and neck. There are two types of health risks related with driving. Health risks related to body positions and health risks related to body movements. There are certain body positions that can cause you stress. You may be leaning on the car seat. This can cause strain in the back. Driving with drooping shoulders, especially while driving on the highway, you tend to loosen your arm on the steering wheel and your shoulders drop. This can cause strain in the joints. Driving with your neck out on the road. This can cause strain in neck muscles, resulting in neck pain. Driving with your legs far from the pedal, such that you have to strain your legs to reach out to the pedal. This can result in leg pain and pain in the feet. Driving without the headrest. In case of emergency brake, your head may fall back, and without the headrest, your neck might get severely injured. Dropping your arm at the elbow and not driving with a straight wrist. This can cause strain in arm and wrist. Incorrect body position while driving might lead to cramps, poor blood circulation in legs, leading to numb legs, degeneration of spinal disc, and many other serious spinal problems. Apart from body positions, there are certain body movements that cause physical strain. When you frequently press the accelerator and brake while moving on city roads, it causes leg and feet strain. Steering wheel movement while driving the car can cause wrist and arm strain. When you move your neck and body back and forth repeatedly to concentrate on driving, it might cause neck and back pain. Both incorrect body postures and body movements result in long-term health problems like joint and muscle injuries, apart from short-term strain and pain in the joints and muscles. Some precautions that will reduce the overall strain in your body while driving and relieving you from severe health hazards are: avoid climbing in the car with a jerk. Remember to get inside the car gently. Sit on the driver's seat and check your clearance from the roof and vision on the road. If you have to stretch your neck to see the road, adjust the seat so that you can see the road without stretching the neck. Move the seat forward until you can easily press the pedals completely. Adjust the cushion angle and tilt it so that the thighs are supported along the cushion. Adjust the lumbar support so that you get same support throughout the back. There should be no pressure points or gaps. Adjust the steering wheel and check the adjustment with the thighs and knees by using pedals. Adjust the headrest so that if at all your head falls back, it should fall back on the headrest. Adjust the rear view and side mirrors, ensuring that they can be used without excessive straining of the neck or upper body. These are some of the adjustments that you should do before driving and stick to it while driving. The ground rule is that the neutral body position is the correct body position. Like body postures, you should take care of certain body movements. Do not move back and forth too much. Do not drop your arms and lift your wrist while on the steering. Use both hands alternatively for driving if possible. Do not press the pedals too hard unless there is an emergency. In case of body movements too, all movements with a neutral body posture are usually correct, and you should take care to relax a body part like hand by alternating it on the steering. Apart from these body postures and movements, you can take precautions like taking short breaks on a long route, taking extra care of eyes by washing them regularly and relaxing, etc. You can avoid most of your health problems related to driving by following few small precautions. Ergonomics guidelines not only make your driving comfortable, they even save you from any severe damage or health problems that might arise. Let us recap. Make some adjustments to seat, backrest and headrest and your own position. Avoid body positions that can cause you stress. Avoid certain body movements that cause physical strain. Take precautions that will reduce the overall strain in the body. You should take care of certain body movements.